Hello Bladers! Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Improving your motorcycle's horn. It's true that one of the most convenient way to travel from one place to another, especially in the city life here in the Philippines, is through a motorcycle. This gives you a better opportunity to easily beat the traffic because of the smaller space it needs to get past through the almost not moving cars. This may be very convenient for us, but it still have risks on our safety. As much as we love to get past the slow-moving traffic, there's really a chance for people driving a four-wheeled and up vehicles to unnotice you. This is where the importance of your horns come in. With it, you can always up your game on safety by giving signals through the sound it creates for the other motorists around you. The question now is if your motorcycle's horn enough for people to notice when you are going to pass through them? If not, you may always opt to upgrade it with Blade.ph's Hella HMHP 011 12V motorcycle horn. Its features includes Motorcycle Series Set 12V/1.3 amps High tone, 480 Hz Low tone, 380 Hz Sound level, 110 dB OI quality Sharp penetrating tone and corrosion and water spray resistant. Ready to avoid the bad traffic and get from one place to the other with a faster travel time? That's a yes if you're able to prepare and value your safety by upgrading your horns. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.